guys, so Sunday I made a vlog. I tried to vlog Sunday with my red camera with the broken lens, and it was working fine. But then when I went to the grocery store to go get gravy, I lost the lens to it because the lens were broken. You guys remember my old Samsung red camera? The lens were wiggly and very broken and out of control and stuff. So I tried blog that day, and I was like, okay, if it works, then I'll continue using it until I get my phone, etc. But it ended up that it didn't work. I mean, it worked, obviously, but the lens fell off where I have no clue where. But I'm barely uploading Sunday's vlog right now, so you guys should see this before you're gonna see this before you see the vlog. So that's all I have, just Sunday vlog. I don't have a Monday vlog. I won't have a Tuesday vlog because my camera just broke. And I'm going to use my phone whenever I get it. I should get it sometime this week. I'm getting the Galaxy S4 again. So that's what I want. I don't want the S5. A lot of people say, you should get the S5 and what now? I'm like, no, I want the S4. So I'm going to get the S4 again. And I will vlog with that like the old days until I get a camera. And so I hope you guys just bear with me and understand that I'm not going to leave you guys. I'm not going to stop vlogging. It's just a hobby. I'm going to continue doing it. So right now I'm uploading the blog and the Sunday blog. So it's being uploaded already. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys understand very well. And in case you guys want to see Stephanie, today is Tuesday. So this will be uploaded Tuesday. And so is the Sunday vlog. And I have no clue why my Christmas tree is on. And here is Stephanie. Say hi, Nani. What? Where's your shirt? Huh? Silly.